Morning, students. Today you are welcomed, and today I am going to start the session of online classes. Dear students, the name of the chapter, as you know very well, the chapter is too long, so the name of the chapter is tissue. As previously we have read the different kinds of the plant tissue and their location and what are their functions. उसका functions क्या था? So the last topic yesterday I have described the simple permanent tissue after first simple permanent tissue after the complex permanent tissue. In complex permanent tissue we have discussed about xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem की हम लोगों ने बात की थी. And what are the different elements of xylem? जैसे trachea है, vessels है, ये xylem parenchyma है, xylem ये fibers. So things as well as the phloem and xylem are the conductive tissue. They conduct water and minerals to the various part of the plant body. So dear students, after the plant tissue, we have to study about the animal tissue. It has been given epidermal tissue के बाद just finishing the epidermal tissue. Now there is the animal tissue. In animal tissue, dear students, as for example, I am speaking, I am moving here and there. So there is a movement in our body, and due to the bones, and there are different muscles. And as well as when I am speaking, जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ that during that one, I am inhaling oxygen. So after the inhalation of the oxygen का जो inhalation हो रहा है, where does it go? ये कहाँ जाता है? Then it reach to the lungs. So lungs after attaining the oxygen, it expands. After expanding, the different oxygens they are circulated all around the body via blood, and so blood circulates all the oxygens as well as the different fluid to different parts of the body. And after that, when there is a respiration, some waste product are also made during the aerobic respiration, as well as the some chemical reaction that take place inside the body. So in this context, how these all the vital functions our body are performed. So these are performed by the some cells. These are specialized cells and grouped cells. These are animal tissue. So dear student, animal tissue, and that is the epithelium tissue, and the type and connective tissue. We will discuss about these all things. So epithelium, first is the epithelium. So GK point of view, EP means upon, thelio, THELIO, thelio means grows, this tissue grows upon the another tissue. So there are various shape of that one. Roost, the first evolved the this kind of the epithelium tissue. This is one or more layer intercellular space. There is a little materials between intercellular space. The first is the squamous epithelium. Then it is found in the esophagus lining and the lining of mouth. And the skin is the example of it. It has also many layered. It protects and prevent wear and tear of the skin. Now, when it has the definite patterns, they are arranged. Definite patterns, they are stratified, and it is found into the land vertebrates. It is also help in the absorption as secretory and facilitates the alimentary canal and movement across the barrier. So dear students, second is the cuboidal epithelium, that is found into the lining of kidney tubules, duct of salivary glands, and mechanical support. It provides the mechanical supports when they are enfolding inwards. That cuboidal epithelium, they forms the glands. After that, there is a columnar epithelium, and the columnar epithelium has also cilia. This cilia pushes the mucilage and respiratory tract, and it is found in the respiratory tract, inner lining of intestine. And last, the dear student, these are the kinds of the epithelium cells. Now we have the connective tissue. Connective tissue, there is plasma and fluid and RBC, WBC and platelets. Before this, I should tell that squamous has the different kinds. The first is the squamous. Epithelium has the first squamous. This is the figure of squamous. Second is the cuboid shaped, cube shape, that is the cuboidal. And this is the pillar like structure. This is called the columnar epithelium. And last one is the stratified epithelium. So after we will read about the connective tissue, dear students. So dear students, today we have to discuss this all animal tissue epithelium and its type one by one, and where it is found, what is the location. Dear students, we will discuss these all things in detail in the next session in the video. Thank you for watching this and listening this lecture of the animal tissue one by one. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.